right here to show sirens, lights, and all that stuff. So I want you to take this switch, all of these here, slide it over. Yep.
Oh, you did it.
Step out and see what you did. Yeah. So like if I gotta block traffic or pull a car over, that's when I turn my lights off. That's people know that I'm here and I need something. I need somebody's attention.